Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is NADIAH binti IBRAHIM. Today our group going to present about the Ariani Textile and Manufacturing Sdn Bhd. Okay, this is our team members. The first is me, NADIAH binti IBRAHIM, and the second is ZURAIN. The third is RUSYDINA, and the fourth is Fatin. Okay. This is our agenda for today's presentation. In the first point is introduction. We're going to present the background of company, portal 5 force model, business process activity, and at the second point, we're going to present the business requirement and solution. We're going to present the proposed area of improvement, demonstration of ERP solution, and at the third point is the conclusion. Okay. First, I'm going to present the background of company. Okay, the company that we choose is Ariani Textile Manufacturing Sdn Bhd, the company history. The company has been established in March 2008, and the Ariani is owned by Farhanah binti Muhammad Philip. The Ariani is owned by the Ariani Textile Manufacturing Sdn Bhd in Malaysia, and the head office are in Kuala Lumpur. Ariani company is a private limited company that has been exist for 13 years old. The Ariani Manufacturing is a subsidiary of Jekyll Trading Sdn Bhd. The Gallery Ariani is a premium scarf brand with exclusive hijab product. The business is started with iconic like awning turning, and Ariani brand has built a strong foundation among the headscarf wearing crowd. Ariani also known as the head covering with fashion forward and maintain the Muslimah image. From a small shop of textile, now it's grown and become the first store of scarf textile. The Gallery Ariani is operate in Jalan Bunus of Jalan Masjid Jamek Kuala Lumpur, and Ariani has a 19 total of branch in nationwide. Okay, next, our members going to continue the presentation.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is SITI NAJIHAH binti ROSLAN. I will continue present with the vision of the Ariani Textile and Manufacturer Sdn Bhd. So, vision is used to describe what the company would like to become in the future. The define of vision is put into words not only what the company for the moment, but what to become. In other words, it refers to management's strategic vision of the firm's future. Therefore, the Ariani Visions is wants to be a popular store for the scarf fashion Muslim women. So let's continue with the mission of the Ariani. They want provide a good service to customer, guarantees the best quality of fabric and stitches. They always want to up-to-date of design, and they want to inspire Muslim women to be fashion inspired. Ariani Texture and Manufacture founded by Farhanah Muhammad Philip, and the co-founder is her husband, which is Muhammad Farouz Muhammad Jekyll. And this organization has 4 executives, which is for the marketing executive is Emma Soraya, and next is Asmida Zahari as a financial executive, and Nur Fasiha Shazana as for operational executive, and the lastly is Akila Nazri, which is human resources executive.
Next, I'm going to continue the presentation about the product and service. Okay, we look first at the product. The product are under Ariani brand such as scarf, blouse and bag. And the most popular item in Ariani brand is the scarf. Ariani product are designed in three elements such as exclusivity, abundance, and contemporary. Most of the material used are in tie slit and roll slit that provide a comfort to wear a hijab in 24 hours. And there is some material that Ariani import from the Italy, Europe, France, German, and Turkey. Ariani scarf is producing a variety of size from S to XXL according to the customer requirement. Ariani brand already has 200 exclusive design of scarf collection with 100 different color for each. And the target user of Ariani is for the Muslimah and woman customer. The Ariani offer a high quality of fashionable scarf with the latest trend which is exclusive design and modern as women need. Okay, next. Next, we look at the service. The Ariani also provide a service after sale for the customer. The service that they provide is a service to repair the scarf that customer purchase. This service give the satisfaction to the customer and make the customer loyal to the Ariani brand. Ariani also provide a customer service that handle any problem with customer and provide a guideline to the customer. It means that the staff will solve the problem that customer have and provide or show the section that customer search for the product. Okay, next, our members going to continue the presentation.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is ZURAIN binti ZAHRULSAM and I would like to continue our presentation by explaining about Porter's value chain for Ariani. So as you know that Porter's value chain is divided into two activities, which are primary activities and support activities. So the first one is inbound logistics. As we know that Ariani is under Jekyll Trading. So Jekyll is vertically integrated business that owns the majority of Ariani textile supply chain, and about 60% of its products are made in Europe, including Italy, France, and Turkey, and the rest is made in Asia. And the entire output is received and warehoused at Malaysia logistics centers before being sent to retailers. And due to their ability to react rapidly to market changes, materials and textiles are stored in warehouse without extracting colors or patterns. So, if the company discovers that demand of the product is larger than expected, it may rapidly respond by producing extra products in a certain style or color. Next is operation. Ariani employs its own designers, so they have their own designers. And for procurement and manufacturing, the designers will collaborate with market experts and planners. And designers may also rapidly review first draft with their co-workers and debate new styles. And as a result, prototype may be tested on the spot. And the product line for Ariani is only one which focuses on women. The next one is outbound logistics. The whole inventory is delivered to the retailers in the quantities determined by the commercials. And when the product reaches the store, however, managers oversee order replenishment. It is the manager job to determine how many units of each item to order, and they do it by considering a variety of factors such as forecast of customer demand, how many of the product the store had and already sold, and more. And in Malaysia, receiving deliveries takes around 3 to 5 days, and usually deliveries are done by trucks or plane. And next is marketing and sales. For Ariani websites, there are activities that that are undertaken to create means through which the buyer can buy a firm's product. So those activities are including pricing, marketing, sales force management, advertising and promotion, and also channel selection and more. And Ariani also they sell their products and markets through and marketing through social media such as Instagram, Facebook, and Twitter. We can search Ariani through social media and we can easily find them. And they also have many ambassadors among the celebrities in Malaysia to promote their products frequently. So as I know, uh, one like celebrities that I know that become the ambassadors are Siti and Bella Daily, those people. And lastly, customers also buy their products directly from their store that are located around Malaysia. And lastly, is services. Ariani are focusing on satisfaction of customers and they will respond to customers' complaint as soon as possible. And in Ariani stores also, there are sales associates that are required to help customers. So next, I will explain about the support activities under Porter's value chains for Ariani. The first one is human resource management. Their human resource management is including recruiting, training and development, hiring, people planning, selection, skill assessment, and compensation. Human resource management will affect competitive advantage in any firm, but in some industries, it is defining factor. The next one is technology development. Technology supports almost all activities in modern bio organization. So technology development at Ariani website may include activities such as feature designs, technology selection, component design, and process engineering. So the last one is procurement. Procurement activities at Ariani include activities that are undertaken to purchase inputs that are used by Ariani's value chain. It does not include purchase inputs themselves, and purchase inputs may include raw materials, supplies, machinery, office equipment, and building.
Okay, next, I'm going to continue the presentation about the business process activity. The main business process of Ariani Textile is to purchase a scarf, blouse, and bag for the customer. The most popular product in Ariani is their scarf because Ariani offers several designs of scarf in square and shawl shape with a comfortable material. The business process is a series of related activity and the steps that need to be accomplished to complete the organization purpose. The business process in Ariani involves the customer, staff, manager, HQ, and supplier. Okay, here is the flow chart. We can see that the business process is start with the customer. When customer visit the store to purchase the product, after the staff receive the customer purchase, the staff is responsible to serve the customer with consultation. The staff also can promote a new product and all product produced by Ariani Textile. Uh, the staff will check the product, will check the stock of product. If the product is decreased or out of stock, the staff need to update the inventory and the order of a new stock will be passed in the inventory information to the manager. The manager will receive the order and require a HQ to verify the supply order. After HQ verify the supply order, the HQ will purchase the order to the supplier. The supplier need to verify the purchase before supply the raw material to the manager. The manager will retrieve the order after the supplier supply the order. The manager need to put the raw material in the stock. After the manager put the raw material in the stock, the staff will process the raw material and make the product as a finished good. After the product is finished good, the staff will give the receipt to the customer and the customer will receive the product. This is the end of the process. Okay, next, our members going to continue the presentation.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Fatin Farhanah binti Muhammad Lotfi. I would like to present for Chapter 2, Business Requirement and Solution. For Business Requirement and Solution, we have two, which is Operation and Supply Chain Management. For Operation, to manage the warehouse management. In warehouse, once they receive the raw materials such as fabric, they will check the amount of fabric dispatched from the defined fabric supplier. Besides that, they also will handling in checking, isolation, testing, and quality control before the product are marketed. In warehouse, different tasks can be handled separated by department and the integration management by direct workflow. With that, the workflow will be the less formalization and the warehouse will be performed well. Next is supply chain management, an approach that is applied to bring together supplier, entrepreneur, warehouse, and other repositories such as distributor, retailer, and retailer efficiently. Next is purpose area of implementation. In Ariani's Textile, we have a few purpose area of implementation. First, take longer time and difficult. According to accounting department in Ariani organization really need ERP software in their business. In accounting department, an employee only rely on paper base for invoice and orders and sale order. They also need to spend hour every week manually entering data into the different accounting and sales system. Next is software inconsistencies. Ariani Textile implement various tools in operate their organization. With an unmanaged system that used in organization, various business process within an organization utilize disparate application to manage similar operation. This problem can lead to chaotic data transfer, time-consuming process, and also affect the security gap. Next is lack in managing inventory. Ariani Textile is lack in managing their raw material items. Sometimes they duplicate in ordering the product from supplier. This will become a problem for organization, and in the same time it will lead to wastage. When it comes to controlling inventory, it's important to find a balance between having too much or not enough raw material. Next is repetitive manual tasks. Ariani is a large company that need more employees to handle every work scope. Sometimes they have a problem due to insufficient staff in running their business smoothly. The bigger the company, the more data there will be. Naturally, hiring more employees is the only solution to deal with this new lot of tasks in the company. If Ariani company if the Ariani's company setting up in ERP, they can organize the work in a truly efficient manner because the ERP can create order sheet and even instant of accountant. So that's all from me.
So next, I will continue our presentation by explaining about demonstration of ERP solutions for Ariani company. Okay, so as you can see, this is the login page for Ariani company, and the background is related to Ariani promotion. This is I take this picture from the website of Ariani, and this is the Ariani logo. And now I will log in into the page. So as you can see, this is the main dashboard of Ariani company, and I have changed the background color to blue, and there is also logo Ariani here. And now I will move to the next part, which are third parties, which is third parties. So as you can see, this is the list of all third parties that including prospects, customers, vendors, and others. So now I will move to the list of prospect. So this is the list of prospect. First one is Checker Trading, and second one is Kamlas Nirambirhat. And for the list of customers, this is the list of all of the customers. And the next one is list of vendors. And now we'll move to the list of contact address. So this is all of the contacts or address for the third party. So as you can see that Mazina Majid is under Kamda third party, like that. So I will back to list of third party, and I will press the Jekyll Trading Sedar Berhad. So as you can see, this is the Jekyll Trading details. And if I move to this contact or address, I can contact these two persons which are under Jekyll Trading, Nadira Nasir and Rosatira. So I will move to the next part, which is products. As you can see, this is the list of all of the products for Ariani. For the reference RW 001 to 004, this refers to the raw materials, while for SA 001 until SA006, this refer to the sales, product sales. So this is all of the stocks for the products, list of stocks for the products. And I will move to the next, which is the list of warehouse. For now, there are two warehouses which located at Batu Caves and Bandar Sarjana Putra. And this is the input stock value in those warehouse. So if I press W002, so this is the products that are located in the warehouse in Batu Caves. So next, I will move to the MRP. So next is the list of BOM, which is bills of materials. So this is the list of BOM, and if I press this reference number, the Celsius I have enabled it the BOM, and I also have create the manufacturer's order for this BOM. So we'll move to the manufacturing orders list. So for this, the status have been produced, and but for this BOM, the status is still validated. So I would like to produce it. So I will press production, and I will press this consent of produce. So I press confirm. So it is still in progress. So next I'll move to the next part, which is projects. So this is the list of the projects. For now, there are only 2 projects, which are year-end sale project for the third-party jackal trading and the promotion of new baju kurung. The third party is Kamdas Nira Berhad. So next, I will move to the part of commerce. So we'll move to the list of sales order. So this is all of the list of sales of the orders, and you can see that this is the icon for the shippable, and as you can see for this sales order it have validated. So actually the plan date is 29 July, so I cannot classify it as classified delivery. Okay, so for this order, I still have not validated it, so I will validate the order. Yes. So for one of the order that have been validated, I will classify it as delivered. So after I classify it as delivered, I will set it. So the status first it will change to delivered, and then I will classify build. So the status have been changed to process or build. So if I press these link files and download the documents attached here, you can see that this is the official order receipts for Ariani to Jackal Trading. So this is the description of the products that they have ordered, and this is the total. And next I'll move to the next part, which is list of purchase order. So as you can see, this is all of the list of purchase order, and the status of it has been proved. So I have pressed one of them. So you can see that this is the distribution of the product that they have ordered. So next I will move to the next part, which is billing payment. And I will go to the list of customers invoice. So this is the list of customers invoice, and as you can see the status has been paid. But for this for the third party Muhammad Safwan, the status here is not paid, but just now he have paid. So I will press enter payment. So the date is now, and I press the amount. Okay, so I press pay. Yes, and then I will press validate. So the status have changed to pay. So the for this the list this is the list for vendor invoice. All of them also have not paid yet, and this is still under the draft. So I will validate it. Still the same. The status also have not been paid. The next one is bank and cash. So this is the bank account that have been used, which is member high. And lastly, I forgot to explain it before. So I'll go to the commerce part and to purchase order list. So as the status have been approved, actually I should make the order for the purchase order. So I'll make order date. Now order method I will use online comment new products. So I'll make order. Yes. So the status have changed to ordered and standby reception. And then I'll go back home, and for the users and groups, we have a list of users which are admin, NADIAH, and ZURAIN. There are 3 users. So that's all for me. Thank you.
As for the conclusion of this study is the Ariani Textile and Manufacture Sdn Bhd is founded by Farhanah binti Muhammad Philip. They are a private limited company and has been existed for 13 years. They are also subsidiary of Jekyll Trading Sdn Bhd. And Gallery Ariani is a premium scarf brand with exclusive hijab product. The main business of Ariani Textile is to produce a scarf, blouse, and a bag with a good quality of product for their customer. The problems that have been identified are to take longer time and difficult software inconsistency, lack in managing inventory, and repetitive manual tasks. Using this deliver can be improve their productivity by passing the operation system to relevant for staff and manager. That's all from me. Thank you.